Good morning to the respected members of management, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as we gathered here to celebrate Independence Day, I, Sayed Jaza Hafiz, feel honored and privileged to stand before you and express not just my gratitude toward freedom we enjoy, but also the hopes and dreams we children carry for the future of our beloved India. Independence Day is not just the celebration of our past, it is also a reminder towards the responsibilities of building a better tomorrow. The famous quote, at the stroke of midnight hour, will the world sleep, India will awake to life and freedom. This quote was spoken by our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on his historic Tryst with Destiny speech on the eve of India's independence. It captures a profound moment from a transition from a period of slavery and subjugation to a new era of self-governance, dignity, and liberty. Every year on 15th August, we remember our freedom fighters, their sacrifices, and their dream for free India. But today, I want to take a step further. I want to speak on India we children dream of, an India of the future. I want to live in India that leads the world in science, technology, and innovation. I want my country to be known not just for its history and culture, but also for its cutting edge research, space missions, and digital growth. I want to live in India which is called as a developed nation, where every child gets quality education, no one is left behind, where every dream has a chance to come true. I want to see leaders who are wise, visionary, and educated, leaders who talk about unity, progress, and peace, not hatred or division. I want a government that creates jobs, fights poverty, and works to ensure that every Indian feels safe, respected, and empowered. As mentioned in the Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1827, the most beloved of people to Allah on the day of judgment will be the just ruler. This reminds us that justice in leadership is not only important for a strong nation, but also beloved by Allah. I want to live in India where we no longer hear of discrimination, where we all stand as Indian first, proud of our diversity, but united in our purpose. I dream of an India where a hospital cares for every life, school builds a strong future, and streets are safe for every girl and boy. Today, I'm not just celebrating freedom, I'm making a plea to all the elders. Please help us shape an India where our dreams are not limited by corruption, poverty, or hate. Please give us a nation where development is the goal and unity is our strength. Let us together build an India which is not just free, but fearless, fair, and flourishing. Jai Hind.